In this video, I'm going to show you how to find post drafts on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, let's say I want to create some post. I open up my Instagram, hit on my profile icon. Next, all I have to do is click on plus sign and select post. Now there I can select some photo or video, hit next, select some filter and hit next again. And now if I don't want to share that post right now, all I have to do is click back for 2 times and when it comes up here, hit on save draft. So now I saved that post as a draft. And now let me show you how to find that draft. Just from your profile page, hit there on plus sign and hit on post to start creating your post. And now there at the very top of your gallery there is a drafts link. You can hit there and there you can find all your draft that you saved before. You can select any draft, then hit next and then continue creating your post as you normally would. That's how it works. If it helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.